I've gone. This is my vlog now.
Why are you vlogging?
Your vlog's been hijacked. Right? No.
Hi guys!
No.
Hi guys,
Unacceptable.
I hope you're enjoying the vlog!
You've been archangeled out of your own vlog.
No!
So I'm just here vlogging about. Just going to lay on the bed. Yes, I don't know what we're going to do today. I think we're just going to, well, I'm just going to relax. And she'll probably find 1,000 things to do. But then complain that she has no time to relax. So that's usually how our days off goes. It's nice and relaxing. Yeah, so I am playing Call of Duty at the moment. I played online for the first time a couple of weeks ago with my friend Tom, and it was fine. So I've rented it because I don't buy games anymore because they're so expensive. What's the point in playing a game for 2 weeks and then you're done with it? Well, not even that. Sometimes it's like a day. I don't know what I'm talking about really. This probably won't go in. It's a good thing I'm not a vlogger. Jesus. I've got nothing else to say. I'm just here because I've taken a vlog away from her. So rude sometimes. What do you want?
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging!
I haven't heard you.
Well, that's because you've been in the other room. Are you going to apologise? You're going to apologise?
Apologise for what?
For being so rude to me.
I did the washing up. That's not being rude.
You were being bossy and mean.
I'm sorry.
Okay, you can have your vlog back.
It was a nice click. Everybody agrees with me, don't they?
It's
That's a nice click.
It's genuinely no good way to be like, can you
It's
move
like
please?
when I swear.
She didn't even say it, she was just like...
It's like when I swear, like people, you know, I do swear a lot sometimes, but I swear in like a nice way. Don't I? I don't swear in a horrible way.
Well, when you tell me to fuck off.
Don't do that.
You do.
Stop it.
She's like, stop telling everyone the truth.
Stop it now, this is sounding terrible. You can't drink tea like that.
Can't I do it all the time?
He always drinks tea like upside down.
So you just said I couldn't do it, but then you said that I'd do it.
God, he's so just
inconsistent.
contradicts everything I say.
No, you contradict everything you say. I just point it out.
You're so mean.
I'm not.
Right.
I'm doing it in a nice way.
Okay. Current state of the garden. Hey Jim.
Hello.
What are you up to?
I am uploading my latest video.
Dun dun dun. Exciting stuff there, Jim. Are you hungry?
Yeah, I am a bit.
Would you like to consume some food with me?
I would like to consume some food.
Yeah? Excuse all the washing there, that's just drying. It was almost dry, but it wasn't quite dry, so I thought I'd put it near a radiator. Look at him typing away.
He's just commentating my life. This is Jim. He likes to type.
Right, what are we going to eat?
What would you like? We've got those barbecue chicken
Yeah,
things.
what would we have them with?
Chips.
Chicken what things?
Chicken...
Sub?
Did I say sub?
Yeah, there's no like... That makes it sound like a Subway. Or like it's got bread with it.
I don't know why I said
They're
sub.
just...
I meant fillet.
Chicken fillet things, yeah.
I don't know why I said sub instead of fillet. It's because I'm typing.
Do you want somebody to sub to
you
your
know
channel?
Why? I was typing sub when I said it. I literally typed sub.
Really? Why sub?
Because I'm making fun of, I'm like being an idiot, so I'm like...
Okay, I was going to say, do you genuinely put, please sub,
no,
man?
I'm telling them to do a sub.
Yeah? Okay.
So as you asked me what I wanted, I was writing do a sub, and I said chicken sub.
That explains that. So you're looking really good in this vlog today.
Yeah.
You play Call of Duty and you write, please sub, man.
No, not please sub, do a sub.
Do a sub, man. I'm just going to play Call of Duty, man. I don't know why my impression of a chap who plays Call of Duty always ends in man.
And why does he sound American? It's not exactly a chap, is it? Hey man, let's play some Call of Duty, man.
I'm not really sure.
Let's go surfing afterwards,
like
man.
I'm on
It's
drugs.
really tubular, man. You're an idiot.
Anyway, on that note, let's go get some food. This is me walking to go and get some food. Lovely floor, lovely flooring. Hideous flooring in the hallway that I want to change. Hideous flooring in the kitchen that I'd like to change. It's good, that. I really, really, really dislike these bed covers. They're grey, which is great. I'm not into this pattern anymore. This used to be like my favourite bedding when we slept in this bed, but now I don't like it. It's not for me. So I bought this from Asda yesterday. It's just grey, silvery bed cover that's kind of got pinstripe down it. Really nice feel as well. We actually have this in king size for our bed now, so it's a bit weird that I'm getting the same bed cover for this room, but I don't know. And it's a bit weird that I really care what is on this bed because nobody really sleeps in it, but it's there, okay? It's the look. That looks much better. So much lighter and just, yeah, it's lovely. It feels so soft because I think because we've had our one for the king size for a while, it's not half as soft as this. I know it's covered in creases. I am not going to attempt to iron that. I'm sure it'll be fine. That doesn't really bother me. I kind of like it because it looks new. Is that weird? It's a bit weird, isn't it? That pillow looks sad. Just kind of make it look a bit more awake. There you go. Pillow that's awake. It's good, isn't it? Oh, right, sorted. Jim is moving the Nintendo thingamajig into the other room because he wants to play something on this telly, so, and I want to play that on this telly too, but that can't happen, so he's moving it. We're just having a cup of tea and some biscuits. We haven't actually had biscuits in ages, have we? No. I am trying to be good as well by having some water. I'm actually healthier in work now than I am at home. Because I did go through a phase of, on my break times, just getting junk food really to get through the day, but I'm actually being healthy now. I'm eating like loads of fruit and drinking loads of water, but when I'm at home, this happens. It's very wet outside, it's like really horrible and wet. I'm so cold, I just can't warm up today at all, so hopefully this will warm me up and I'm going to go and play a game, finally. And what time is it? About 3 o'clock? 4 o'clock? And finally I'm playing a game, so Jim will be happy now. Right, so yeah, we decided to get all wrapped up so we could go for a walk, just to get a bit of fresh air. So it's just in that kind of mood, aren't you?
No, we're just putting on the bins.
I've tried to ask Jim if we can go for a walk, but he said no.
The cold and the rain, when you've been complaining about how cold it is
I know, but
all day.
I'll warm up, all wrapped up and going for a walk.
Just trying our best not to play games. Honest
anyway,
God.
so yeah, we've basically just got wrapped up so that we can do the bins. Fun. Brilliant. Oh, for fuck's sake. Ah! Yeah? Okay. Oh, for God's sake! Patience. Ah! Okay, right, we're gonna do this. Oh no, too soon. Wait for that to go. Run away from it. Please leave me alone, leave me alone. Just going for... Ah! For God's sake! What are you supposed to do? Where are you supposed to go? I don't understand. Ah! Jesus. Oh, for God's sake! I can't... Jim, I can't get past this one bloody bit. I feel like you can't in this one. For God's sake. Nope, that doesn't work. Try to duck away from it. And then you've got to remember that bit. Do you remember the other day when I did it? And like...
Yay!
Right, I finished gaming. I played quite a few levels, to be fair. How did you get on with Call of Duty?
Completed it.
Completed it?
Doesn't take long though.
My arm's tired.
It's very short. Do you want me to hold it?
Yeah, please.
Apparently I'm the holder of the camera now.
So, Jim's actually completed a game. I've done quite a few levels on Yoshi's Island. It was okay, it was just a bit frustrating.
Yoshi.
I kept trying to like get everything possible, but then I kept dying when I did that, so I just started like running through the levels like 100 miles an hour.
Disgraceful.
I'm not sure that was as fun as it should have been.
Probably not. When,
No,
it's,
I'm
when it's a
tired.
chore. When you're acting like the levels are a chore.
Yeah. I shouldn't really be doing it, should I?
Nope.
There you go. So, what did I just tell you when I was getting changed into my comfies?
That you wish you had some dishes to do because
No, I
playing
didn't say
games
that. I
is
just
so
said-
boring.
I just said I'm bored now. I don't know. I just feel like we need to do something.
Like what?
I don't know. My day off.
You
No,
always
it's
do
dark.
this though. You complain that you have no time to play games, then you have all the time in the world and you choose to do literally anything else, and then when you're in work you're like, oh, I wish I had time to play games.
Pretty much. I don't know. I just don't know if I'm feeling that game. As a game to like full on complete. It's not like relaxing, it's stressful. With Final Fantasy games, it's like you can control it. With Yoshi's Island,
It's a DVD. It's a movie.
No,
You
like,
can't control it, you just watch.
I don't know, like you can't predict if you're gonna fall, can you?
It's because Final Fantasy is not a
It's too
platformer.
risky.
It's an RPG.
I know, well, that's better. I prefer that kind of game because it's too risky, the fact you could fall at any moment, whereas Final Fantasy you can prepare for battles and you know that you can win. If you win,
Sure.
if you lose, you don't have to start all over again from the very beginning of the fucking level. Anyway, what are we going to do with our evening now?
I don't know, what do you want to do?
I don't know.
You go find some things to tidy if you want.
It's not what I'm doing.
Apparently that's what you really want to do and love to do.
It's not. There's a little bit, maybe. Oh, no, I don't. You're making it sound really bad, like...
Like the
You can
truth.
go and do that if you want. Whatever. Just completed Call of Duty. I'm tired if you want. And what are we having for dinner? I'm hungry again. Why am I always hungry?
This is why she's getting stressed out.
Why?
She's hungry. That's why she's being all like, oh. She just needs
Wow!
food.
What am I being like?
Oh.
I was not doing that, was I? A little bit. Right, we're going to put this camera on charge anyway. Maybe when we turn it back on, we'll be doing something really interesting. This vlog went really well, didn't it?
It did.